Welcome back. Now we can start question number 9, exercise 17b. The figure shows a circle with a center O. AB is the side of a regular pentagon and AC is the side of a regular hexagon. Find the angles of triangle ABC. That means we want to find out angle A, angle B and angle C. Given O is the center of the circle, AB is the side of a regular pentagon, AC is the side of a regular hexagon. We can join OB, OC and OA. Since AB is the side of a regular pentagon, we can write angle BOA as 360 divided by 5. Since it is a pentagon, we can write angle BOA is equal to this angle will be 360 divided by 5, which is equal to 72 degree. This angle will be 72 degree. Also given AC is a side of a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. Pentagon is a 5-sided figure. Hexagon 6-sided figure. So angle AOC will be 360 divided by 6, which is equal to angle AOC will be 60 degree. So AOB we got it as 72 degree and AOC we got it as 60 degree. So look at angle BOA plus this angle BOA plus AOC. This will be angle BOC. That is angle BOC is the sum of 60 and 72. So angle BOC will be 60 plus 72, which is equal to 132. So this angle is 132 degree. This angle is 132 degree. So what about this reflex angle of BOC? BOC angle is 132. So this is the reflex angle of BOC. Reflex angle of BOC will be 360 minus 132, that is equal to 228. So this angle is 228. Reflex angle of BOC, this angle is 228 degree. Reflex angle of BOC is 228. So look at BAC. BOC means reflex angle of BOC means that is a central angle. So look at BAC. So what will be BAC? BAC will be what? Angle BOC. This reflex angle BOC divided by 2. So we can write BAC will be 228 divided by 2. 228 divided by 2, which is equal to 114. Reason is what? Angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So we got angle BAC as what? 114 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle A we got it as 114. One angle we got. Next we want to find angle B and angle C. For that, look at angle BCA. BCA. So what about the central angle BOA? BOA is, we have proved BOA as 72 degree. So what about BOA is 72. What about BCA? BOA we got it as 72. What about BCA? Same segment AB. BOA we got it as 72. Then what about BCA? It will be what? 72 divided by 2. That is BOA is a central angle. Same reason we can apply here. So BCA is equal to angle BOA divided by 2. Once again, BCA is equal to angle BOA divided by 2. Angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So we will get BCA. This angle is what? This angle we will get it as 72 by 2, which is equal to 36 degree. That is angle C. Next we want to find out angle B. For that, look at ABC. This angle we want to find out now. So ABC. ABC means lies in the segment AC. So AOC also lies in the segment. AOC is a central angle. AOC we got it as what? 60 degree. So what about ABC Same reason, angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So this is 60 degree, AOC is 60 degree. So directly we can write what ABC as 60 divided by 2. So this we will get it as 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 30 degree, that is angle B. So we got all the three measures of triangle ABC. A we got it as 114, B we got it as 30 degree, and C as 36 degree. Therefore, the angles of a triangle ABC are 114. Next B we got it as what? 30 degree. First we can write a B 30 degree, and next is 36 degree. The angles of a triangle ABC are 114, 30 degree and 36 degree. Thank you.